Namaste, this is Ramit Sopti from M3M Developers. M3M is Gurgaon-based developer with more than 35 projects. We are in every vertical of real estate, you name it, residential, commercial, office space, studio apartments, and will be in every space. We are at M3M Woodshire. This project is located at Sector 107, Gurgaon, near Dwarka Expressway. We are connected with through 60 meter sector road which takes you towards Upper Dwarka Expressway and Dwarka Expressway. It's a 19-acre site with 18 towers. All the towers are 14-story in height. All the towers are mid-rise. It's a low-density project, thus giving us vast open spaces. It's a ready-to-move-in property with the occupancy of more than 60%. And coming January 21, we are expecting occupancy of more than 90%. So we are at the clubhouse of M3M Woodshire. So we are at the lobby area on the ground level. It has 3 levels. So I'll be showcasing you all the 3 levels simultaneously. So that's our lobby area with the coffee shop. Towards our left is the gym area, and straight ahead is the way out towards our swimming pool. So we are having 2 swimming pools, one with the club and the other swimming pool is with the other side. It's a bigger pool. So that's our gym area with a good view of the pool and the surrounding greens. Let me show you the other part of the clubhouse. We'll be going towards the first floor. We are having a restaurant come banquet. So it can easily accommodate around 150 people. Let's say you want to have a private function of birthday party or a kitty parties or probably a housewarming party. So we can have it over there. So we are on the first floor. So I'll be showcasing you the banquet cum restaurant space at M3M Woodshire. It's a small space which can easily cover around 150 packs. So people have celebrated their birthday parties, kitty parties, and we have also done a Sagan ceremony during the lockdown period. So that's the space which we're talking about. It does have an outdoor space also. So that's the outdoor space which we're talking about. From here we can have a cleaner view of the pool area. So we have an amphitheater over there. So people generally, we do have certain functions on the poolside area also. So we are on the second floor of our clubhouse. Over here we are having a squash court, pool table and a small terrace area where we can have a gathering of around 25 people can be accommodated over there. We can enjoy our coffee and tea in the evening. So this is our terrace area where we can enjoy our coffee and tea in the evening. In fact, we can have a small party of around 25 to 30 people in this area. It gives us a clean view of the surroundings. We are having a 100 acres township across the road and nothing high rise will come up. So in terms of view, my view will be always clear and nothing will be blocked. These were all the amenities at our clubhouse. So I'll be taking you towards our sample apartment. We are on the first floor of our tower A1. This is the actual lobby. Per floor there are 4 flats, 2 over there, 2 over here. Then we have 2 lifts and 2 staircases. I'll be showing you the 3 BHK plus servant room. That's our show apartment. Please. That's the main entry of our show apartment. And that's the entry door for the servant room. There's another entry with the kitchen. So let's please. So that's our living space where we have put a 8-seater sofa with a attached balcony. Due to that we have good ample daylight and there's good cross ventilation. You will be entering the balcony part. So this is almost 5.5 in width. We are providing with anti-skid tiles. So that's the clubhouse bank opposite our balcony. So you can see the sunlight which will be there in all the balconies in this show apartment. From here we can see the actual apartment. Right till all the 3 bedrooms, the kitchen and the living space. Now we'll be entering dining space. We can enter the kitchen. So this is the kitchen space, almost 10 by 8 square feet with attached utility balcony and the servant room. With the kitchen, you'll be getting a black countertop, a sink and a tap. This is for the show purpose. There will be no modular kitchen. You should see the utility balcony which is good in size. Again 5.5 in width and almost 14 feet in length. So probably down south there is a concept of wet kitchen and dry kitchen. So probably we can have that here also. We can put a sink and a tap and a slab so that you can use your soil utensils over here and you can put your washer or dryer area over here only. Please. So that's the plus one which can be used as a study or a servant or a home office. It's good, decent in size, 10 by 8 square feet with attached washroom, and that's your separate entry from the outside. In all the common areas including the kitchen and living and dining space, we'll be giving you tiles. And within the living and dining space, you will be getting 2 air conditionings, 2 Toshiba air conditioners installed with light and fans will be there. And in all the bedrooms, you'll be getting wooden flooring, ACs, light and fans. So that's our first guest bedroom. The room size is 12 by 13. With the bedroom, you'll be having a good sized balcony. It's almost 18 by 5.5 square feet. That's our first common washroom, so that in case your guest comes in, so there's no harm in your privacy and he can use the common washroom over here. That's the foyer area. I'll be showing you the second bedroom, please. The room size is almost 11 by 13. We have shown it as a kids room. We have a good window size almost by 5 by 5, so that natural light should come in. This bedroom comes with the attached washroom. So within the washroom, tiles will be there, your tap, your sink, except the vanity, you will be getting everything. That's a master bedroom. It's a huge space, almost 15 by 17 square feet, with a separate dressing area of by 6 by 7 square feet. Again, with this master bedroom, you will be getting wooden flooring installed. ACs will be there, light and fans will be there, with a attached balcony. So you are getting 4 balconies, one where we are standing. There are 2 other balconies which we just saw. Again, in all the balconies there will be anti-skid tiles, and within the apartment you are getting aluminium doors and windows. So that's our dressing area. Again, this is for the show purpose. We have installed the wardrobes over here, full length wardrobes. That's our attached washroom. This is the actual bathroom, and with all the premium fittings which you'll be getting in the actual apartment. So that's the view of the whole apartment. So that's our dining space, the living space over here, and the kitchen over here. I hope you liked our property and the tour of the property of our sample apartment of 3 BHK plus servant, which is 2361 square feet. In case you have any queries, please feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to get in touch with you. Let's meet in person soon. Thank you.